And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple keypad inside of Unity. Um, I already made it, but I'm just going to basically explain to you how I did it and how easy it really is. So over here in the hierarchy, all I did was create a canvas. You can do this by right-clicking on your hierarchy, coming down to UI, and then selecting canvas. Um, and then inside of the canvas, I just have a few objects, a character holder, which is the input field. So again, right click, UI, and then an input field. And then everything else is just buttons. I just renamed the buttons so that it's easier to understand what it is. And then obviously inside the button, there will be text. Um, this already comes as soon as you place the button, so you don't have to worry about that. Um, so I have it 1 through 9, and then 0. I also have a clear button and an enter button. Um, Once you have that, you also want to create an empty game object. So right click and then create empty, and then you can name it whatever you want to, but I named it keypad. Once you have all of that set up, you can come down here into your assets folder, right click, create, and then C# script. And then inside of that script, well, you can name it whatever you want, and then go ahead and open it up. And this is basically just going to be the code for it. So up here, you have to assign all of the objects. So my input field and all my buttons. And then what I'm doing is having it so when button 1 is pressed, then the input field is getting the current text of the input field, and then it's plussing, well, adding onto 1, and then it's just doing it for every number that's pressed. So button 1 would add 1, button 2 would be 2, and then so on. For the clear button, it's just the character holder, which is the input field, dot text will be null, and then enter it. We have an if statement, and so it's saying if the character holder dot text is equal 1 2 3 4, then it will be success. If not, then it will be false. Now if you don't want to hard code the password, you can always make a public string. You can name a password and then just have it blank, and then down here, instead of doing like 1 2 3 4, or like having this, you can just have the string, which is the password, equal whatever you want, just to make it a little bit easier. Um, or if you're just against hard coding, but personally, hard coding doesn't matter to me, so I'm just going to keep it like that. Um, and then back into Unity, all you want to do is drag and drop the keypad script into the keypad object, and then it will appear like this. Yours will be empty. So all you want to do is basically just drag and drop everything. So at the character holder, just drag that in, and then drag in all the buttons, making sure they match. The clear button, the enter button. Um, and then the last thing you want to do is click on every single button one at a time. Scroll down underneath the button field. You will have this on click. I'll just show you. It will look like this. Um, and all you want to do is just drag in keypad, click on no function, come down to keypad, and then press whatever button that you clicked on. So it would be B1. And then you just want to do that for every single button. As you can see, I have all mine set up. I have mine as clear and then enter. So if I go ahead and play this, I do 1 1 1, and I show it failed. So I'll just go ahead and clear it, and then I'll just do 1 2 3 4, and then success. So that's pretty much all for this video. It's really simple. Um, if you want this entire thing and you don't want to set it up, I will leave a link down below to my Patreon. It's only $3 a month. Um, Usually I would release a lot of stuff for free, especially like this, but since I did explain it to you all in the video and I have showed the code multiple times, um, if you really need it and you don't want to type it all out and you basically just want to copy and paste, then you can just pay the $3. Um, so yeah, if you have any issues with this, just comment down below, and if you would like to see anything else related to Unity or C Sharp, just comment down below and let me know. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.